In this video, I'm going to show you how we can work with OpenRouter and Ada. So we are going to use OX Alpha, which is a free model right now from OpenAI, and we are getting this many tokens. So we will see how to install, set it up and configure, and how we can work with our code. So next, what we are going to do is we are going to install the Ada. So I will provide these commands in the description. So I'm installing the Ada. Okay. You can see that the Ada has been installed. I've created a document file for it, so I'll give you the link in the description so you can use it. So next we run this to install it. Okay, so now we need to install ada install.exe. So we need to run this executable, and now it will install the various packages over here. So I'll make this bigger. Okay, so this would take some time. So you can see it is downloading all the packages, and it is done installing all the packages. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this. Now let's run Ada version. And you can see it is giving me the version number of IDA. Okay, so we are done installing IDA. So the next part is to configure it with the OpenRouter. Let's use this command. Okay, and in this we need to put our API key. So let's create a new API key. So if I go to the OpenRouter, if I go under my profile, okay, and API keys, so you can create your API key. So I'm just going to create a new API key. Okay, and I will name it OX Alpha test. So I'm going to say create, and you can see it has created me the key. So I'm going to copy this key and I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so I'm going to paste my key over here. So you can see that I have pasted my key and I will click enter. Okay, we have set the key now. Next, what we will do is, so we will copy this model. So I'm going to paste this now here. And this will set the model. So I will say yes. So I will just say yes, why? Okay, here. So it will initialize a Git repository for me. Okay, it added IDA and git ignore. So here now you can see it is giving me the tokens, and here I'm going to say no. So I don't want to see the history. And you can see that it has started now. And now if I ask it something, so it will reply to me. So you can see it is replying to me now. So now in my terminal VS Code, I'm going to use this. Then I'm going to check my version. So you can see in my terminal, I can see the version back again. Now we are going to run this command. So we are giving it the model. So I will say yes, log into my OpenRouter. We need to sign up. I'm going to sign up here. So we need to authorize it now. So I'm going to say authorize, and then we will get this message. And so we can now use IDA in our terminal. So you can see that we can use IDA in our terminal. So now you can see that it is responding to me, and you help me with my code. Okay, so I'm just giving it a prompt and see it is replying perfectly fine. So in the next video, what I will show you is how we can select the files and work on the files and modify the files and make changes to the code into the file. So thank you for watching, guys, and put your queries into the comments so I can answer them.